Today I'm going to talk to you about the proper way to clean and care for your jewelry, or as I like to call them, my other children. I will be using our store brand of jewelry cleaner made for white gold, yellow gold, and platinum jewelry. However, if you don't have any on hand, a few drops of mild dish soap such as Dawn or Ivory mixed with a cup of warm water will work just fine. For weekly upkeep, place your jewelry, one piece at a time, into the container basket and swish like so. Remove it and rinse under warm water. Then dry with a soft cloth. Jewelry with caked on dirt and grime, follow the same instructions, except you can soak it for up to 5 minutes. And then use a soft bristled toothbrush to brush all around, concentrating underneath the ring and your stones where the dirt and grime tends to accumulate. Then rinse as we did before. And dry with a soft cloth. And voila, bright and shiny baubles once again. Please visit our blog for some important information on which stones cannot be placed into a cleanser and some do's and don'ts to help keep your babies looking their best. I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to see your beautiful masked faces soon.